Hello, welcome to, to this update for Europe. So now we have a couple of fronts still in Spain and France, with some rain in some areas, some snow in Russia, and even into Thursdays shows some snow near Denmark, Sweden, and Norway, those areas. But then we have storm, and this big storm coming to the British Isles on Friday, storm Eowyn, and it's supposed to be a big bomb cyclone, and all the models show significant strength with this, especially some impacts in terms of damaging wind gusts and rain and everything, but mainly wind and some snow too. And after that, this is the GFS, still shows on the 27th some meandering systems, the North Atlantic, and shows like more rain for France, Spain, Portugal, and the UK, and still shows like on the 28th some snow in the Alps, the Pyrenees, and more rain the UK and some snow in the Highlands. Then shows another system on the 29th with some rain in the UK, France, northern Spain, even northern Portugal, and it goes there and shows another kind of low pressure the Mediterranean on the 31st, and more snow in the mountains, the Pyrenees, and the Alps, even the Balkans, some rain and snow, and it does show another stronger low pressure, the Mediterranean, on February 2nd, and it goes there and shows some more rain around the southeastern Mediterranean later. But that's too far out, and we have to focus on this storm now. So here the GFS, it does have this system, the UK, to like a 943 millibars, even like 941 before gets there. So a very massive system shows snow in Northern Ireland too, and more rain in those areas. And now the European goes there. The European is like 938 cycle. It goes like still shows other to 937 as it passes by. So there'll be some very high winds with this. Still on the 26th shows another 945 one in the ocean, and it goes there still like 956 on the 27th. And from this first system, from this first front, tomorrow Thursday shows some rain and snow, some spots in the UK, and a lot of snow in Norway and Sweden, and even close to Denmark, some other areas. So some scattered showers in other spots. Thursday into Friday shows a lot of rain and some snow in the Highlands from this season in the UK. It goes and this will produce a front in Spain and Portugal and France, more rain too. Late on the 24th, the 25th shows more showers through Spain. So shows here on the 26th potential the next system, more rain, so heavy rain in northern Spain and Portugal, and some snow in the Alps. What just happened here? And some more rain in France and the UK too, and Ireland. So sorry. So it shows here like the 26th and into the 27th, more rain, especially in Spain and Portugal and some other spots of France, into Germany too, and some snow in the Alps. So it goes there and it shows some more snow in southern Spain on the 28th, some more rain as well, and shows this low pressure in Italy on the 28th, some storms and some snow too. So it goes there, and Yeah, and on the 29th shows this other system to Spain and Portugal and France. So when this the 29th and into France there too, and especially shows more snow with this goes there and shows eventually into Northern Africa there on the 30th, and at the same time from the system the 28th shows that goes into northern Algeria, and it gets to the Mediterranean again on the 30th, more storms in Italy, and it does go to affect some spots of the Balkans on the 30th too. So be aware. Meanwhile, the other system there on, on the west. So be aware those areas, and there's the AirPods too. That's like very insane the system coming. So it shows like 934, well, knowledge 933 cycle. So very intense. It goes and weakens a little bit, but please be careful. This will be a very dangerous bomb cyclone, an extra tropical cyclone on Friday. So now let's see some here British Isles, some wind gusts. So first the GFS. So it does show here like here it shows like throughout Thursday slightly breezier because of that front there in the southern UK into northern France. Be aware, but it goes, and if and early on Friday, this is still like in the middle of the night, shows some very intense gusts in the west coast of Ireland, the southwest coast, like so. Wait, here, so where is it? So white is close to white is more than 100 km per gus, black, so that green there right on the immediate coast is close to like 160 km per gus, even close to 170. So those kind of gusts will be extremely dangerous. So please be aware those areas, and shows widespread gusts more than 100 km per hour in southern Ireland. It goes and like shows also like a little bit later in the morning, shows around Dublin some areas close to black, like close to 130 km per gusts, and most of Ireland, especially Central Ireland, that white and black, and right on the seas between Ireland and the UK could surpass 150. So stay safe. It goes, shows not as extreme in the UK, but still shows those whites like 120, and even like 125, close to 130. So that in Ireland is close to 145 or something. So stay safe, please. Be mindful of those winds. Now for the Canadian model, no, it doesn't. It doesn't have wingers, but the icon shows here like it goes and shows already some spots in white there by Thursday night. Already some gusty winds. It goes and it does show like those greens right on the coast, close to 170 km per gus, 165 there. So please stay safe. It goes and shows like 130 in Dublin, some more spots, 125 on the west coast, close to 150 or even more, like 155. The western coast of the central UK, close to 125, 130, and it goes there, shows like on the west coast of Scotland in the afternoon, shows those greens and those islands there, like 170. So please stay safe. Go still St. Hargus, northern UK, and it goes away there. So please stay safe. Discussed, and there's also uh, the the arpege. That's very crazy. So look at that in the ocean. In the ocean shows like more than 250 camera progress. That's insane. Like 270. So it goes there. Shows like right on the coast. Even shows some blues there, some greens and blues right on the immediate coast, and that's like nearly 200 camera paragraphs on the arpege. I think it's still too strong. It has been exaggerating a little bit, but there were some other models that almost show that. So please just stay in high alert there, especially if you are along the west coast of Ireland and in all of Ireland, because this one he even shows a little bit inland there, like 160 camera paragraphs, and Northern Ireland 130 or something. So please stay safe, and he goes there, shows St. Higas, Central Northern UK to 130, and or even more. Some spots goes, and yeah, some stuff to watch later. So please stay safe, and there's also this high resolution model. It goes there, starts showing a little bit windier Thursday because of this front into northern France too. It goes there, but right on Friday, so this still around 5 a.m. or something, it shows there like those greens and those yellows and greens there, close to 180 camera pagas, 175. So please stay safe there. And this is this high resolution model was also showing today close like 200 camera pagas right on the coast there. So it's showing now a little bit less, like 180 or 185 or something, but that's still pretty extreme. So please stay safe. Those areas, especially on the coast in Western Ireland. So stay safe. It goes and shows those whites and blacks in the other parts of Ireland too, and those like blackish whites is easily 130 carrier paragraphs, even to 140, passing for Central Ireland. So please stay safe there, and please be careful with like falling trees and high waves, very high surf, and some power power outages and everything when this comes. So please stay safe. Let's see if they have some warnings here. So it's still Wednesday, but they already have some stuff for Friday. So here, Friday. In Ireland, they already have like red warnings for all in all of Ireland and the UK, some orange wind warnings, but uh, they still will update this because it's still Wednesday, but they have like this red warnings here. So storm Eowyn gale force sunny winds becoming western will bring severe damaging destructive gusts in excess of 130 kilometer per gust, and as you saw with the models, the immediate coast might get 170 kilometer per gust, or even higher if it really goes the way of those models. So it shows danger to life, extremely dangerous traveling conditions, cancellation of events, wave overtopping and coastal flooding, low-lying exposed areas, unsafe working conditions, fallen trees, significant widespread power outages, and structural damage and disruption and cancellations to transport. So please stay safe there, and shows there the ocean. So they say southeast winds veering west will reach storm force 10 or violent storm force 11 in the ocean there. So please stay safe. Even some red warnings in Dublin. So please stay safe there. And now for the European model. So it shows here like this comes this cold front here tomorrow Thursday, San Hargas too, and it goes there and shows like in Central Island 129 Gary Pargas, in Dublin 107, 108, and right on the coast the European model is like 194 kilometer per gust. That's nearly 200 kilometer per gust. It's like 199, 201 kilometer per gust by the European model. 196, and there are a bunch of towns here like 202 kilometer per gust. It's extremely violent and destructive. So please stay safe. 184, 149, some other spots. So please do whatever you can to stay safe. A little bit later shows 121 in Dublin, 132 some other spots, 170 in the north, like 167. So please stay safe. Shows like in Douglas a lot, some spots Western UK 143, the south some 87, show like some 82, but like 133. So please stay safe. Northern Ireland 134, so 164. So please stay safe. It goes there, and still by Friday night shows mainly the UK there, and Northern Ireland still some wind, so 96, and all the way to some islands 125. So please stay safe there. It goes on Saturday, it's much better, but this goes towards Norway, St. Hargas, some spots in Norway, Sweden, central Sweden. So please stay safe. It goes there. Still Western Norway, some spots on Sunday, and yeah, and and after that on the 27th, some more assistance shots in the UK, the Mediterranean, shows some Harga, some spots in Spain on the 27th. It goes and later on the 28th in Algeria, shows in Italy, and the Balkans too on the 28th. So yeah, more around France and the UK, especially like on the 30th, the Mediterranean, and near the northern coast of Spain. It goes there, more phone to the 31st in the UK, and yeah, so please stay safe in those areas. And there's the this other model here. So wait, let's see the icon again, a closer look. So we can see the exact wingers. So right on the coaster, like 174, 175. So I have a feeling the European is exaggerating. I'm exaggerating a lot, I think, but 200 is possible. Many models already already have shown it before, but the icon does have like 107 in Dublin, some 158, some other interior parts here, and goes and does show other 137 in Dublin. The icon, some spots 160. So please stay safe. Now the UK model shows like this goes, and just Thursday tomorrow already shows some higher gusts in spots in the southern UK too, because of this front. It goes there, and and Friday shows still already some gusts on Thursday night. It goes, and beginning there on Friday does have 182 km per gust, 185. The UK model does have more like 133, 121, and later it does have 191 km per gust in Galway, some other spots 198. It does have like 200 km per gust. The immediate coast, some islands there, 207, 209, 211, 202. So these are extremely destructive gusts. Please stay safe. Shows like a little bit further north, 193 to 197. So please stay safe there. And by this time, it shows much of the UK with very high gusts, other 79 in London, some other spots to 124, so 130 in Douglas. So please stay safe. Shows 123 in Dublin, and another central 100, 165, 177. So please stay safe there, and it goes and like, so wait. Later still shows very high Northern Ireland, 156 to like 181, 148, other 251 in Douglas, into the coast of the UK, shows 167, 154, so in the Highlands 130, 132, some specific spots to like 143. So please stay safe. This is a very dangerous system, and also northwestern France and the islands shows some higher gusts too. So please stay safe. It goes there, and yeah, still by Saturday morning shows some gusts still the northern UK, starting Norway as early as Friday night. It might start some spots in Norway, so it goes there, and yeah, shows those gusts in Norway, especially the mountains, and throughout Saturday, and just Sunday shows less, and yeah, and shows by Monday the 27th some more systems to watch near the UK. So please stay safe there. Uh, this storm will be a destructive system. Please stay safe. And now for rain and stuff, shows here it comes and like shows this the frontiers, some heavy rain, especially on the western coast of the UK. A lot of rain in Ireland too. So stay safe. The snow in the Highlands there. It goes and like in some more snow showers in Ireland later. So please stay safe. And now for like some rain, some rain accumulation. So does show in Ireland some 84 millimeters, some 82. So, but that's until the 27th, and just just from this system on the 24th shows some 42 millimeters, some 39, some spots in the southwestern case, some 27, some 12 millimeters in London, some 24, shows a little bit more than northern UK, some 46 millimeters, some 48, but even like this, just with like just with 30 millimeters and something, you can already have some flooding problems if that rain is heavy and falls in a short amount of time. So be aware of that and stay safe. And now until the 27th, already shows more systems there and more accumulation until the 27th. So stay safe. Now for Norway too shows a lot. This might be snow there, but there'll be rain too. So stay safe. Now for snow, this is exactly snow. Show like 126 centimeters. Shows throughout these days too a lot in Sweden, central Sweden, some 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters in Oslo. Show like some 74. Some spots in Norway, and from this system coming to some 127. It does show some more scattered snow in Finland, and yeah, especially central Finland, but some in northern, southern Finland too. Sweden, some 34 centimeters, 29, 1.5 in Stockholm. So stay safe there. Northern Denmark too, and in the UK because of this season. So only from this first system shows some 11 centimeters. In the high areas 43 centimeters, some other spots 37. In Northern Ireland some 18, 12, 16 centimeters, some other spots the southwest too. So stay safe there. Now the icon shows a little bit less, but shows no too, and the UK model shows there's snow in Northern Ireland, some spots Central Ireland, and shows very specific in Northern Scotland in the north, some 61 centimeters, some 57 centimeters, some 43. So stay safe there, and yeah, and now the GFS shows that snow there too in the island and those areas there. So stay safe, and until the 27th that shows more there. So yeah, and the UK model until the 27th show like 111. So be aware of more snow between the 25th and 27th too. So yeah, stay safe those areas, and there's the rain too. So this model just from this system doesn't show that much, but does show some higher accumulations in spots and the north too. But until the 27th, already show like some 86 millimeters in the south, some more in Ireland too. So yeah, be aware in those areas, and until February 2nd, the array shows even more system there, especially Spain and Portugal, but in France too shows more in the UK until the 2nd, and more like in the northern UK a lot, especially Norway shows very heavy in Norway until the 2nd. Southern Iceland too shows more precipitation. So yeah, but that's like 10 days out, it's too far. So stay safe, and now for until the 25th, Spain and Portugal shows like 2 days and 10 hours. Some more rain there, some 26 millimeters. Some spots in the south, some 47. In the north, some 50 millimeters. So be aware. And now 5 days until the 27th, already shows like 207 millimeters. The European model 1 to 79. So this indicates more systems, especially uh, during during the 26th and 27th, some heavier rain there, so be careful. Some other spots of Spain shows more rain until the 27th, and France, so France until Saturday shows more rain in the north, spotted in the south, and France until next Monday shows a lot, some spots southern France, but more the northwest there, and some more Belgium, the Netherlands, and more rain to Germany too. So beware, especially in Italy there, shows more next 5 days, and some more in Croatia too, and those areas. So stay safe. And now for the, until the 7th, the 7th until the 2nd shows more in Spain and Portugal there, all the way to 280, and some more in the Balkans, France, and other areas. So stay safe there, and yeah, this is now snow shows some more in the Alps too, some 38 centimeters, some 31, the Pyrenees some 31 centimeters, Central Pyrenees some spots to 14, 4 centimeters, in northern Spain shows some snow too, so be aware. And now for the Balkans shows like very little, some 2 centimeters, spots in Bosnia, Kosovo, Romania, some 4 centimeters, some 3 centimeters, a little bit in Ukraine too, and some snow drizzles, and even some other spots in Czechia, Germany, southern Poland. So yeah, beer, even like northern Poland, Lithuania, and some snow in Latvia and Estonia, a little bit. Finland, especially some spots, central Finland. So yeah, stay safe now. The GFS shows in Finland too. There's more spots there. In Sweden, more than 31 centimeters. Some spots of Sweden shows in the Alps. And the GFS does have this no central Germany, but it has more in the Alps too. Especially some spots to 61 centimeters, and the icon that has more in the Alps too, especially the Eastern Alps, the Western Alps, some 93 centimeters, more there's some other spots, and yeah, so stay safe. And now for some wind in other areas, so it shows a little bit breezier in France now because of the front. It goes there, shows St. Hargus, the coast of the Netherlands, and a little bit in Belgium late Thursday to Friday, because of that front there. And the system from the UK shows St. Hargus, northern France as well, into Belgium and the Netherlands too. So stay safe, it goes, and like shows some slightly breezy in France on the 25th. Goes like shows St. Hargus in Spain on the 26th, especially northern Spain, close to 100 Canary Pargas, more northernmost Portugal, and France, the Pyrenees, Spain, the Pyrenees too. So stay safe. Shows Margus on the 26th in the UK again. Some spots there, northern France too. So stay safe. It goes. Then the European has this massive wind thing crossing Spain on the 27th with some high gusts scared across most of Spain and Portugal too. And also the Pyrenees close to 105 km per gust. So stay safe. It goes the 27th, the 28th goes down to the Mediterranean, and some more spots in the Alps, to Slovenia, Switzerland, some spots in Italy, even up in Slovakia, some wind goes there and shows a lot of wind still scared in the UK, but especially southern Spain and Italy, some spots on the 28th and more later. So stay safe, those areas there. And the the temperature is still cold, still like some -2, some spots on the east, the west a little bit less cold, some 10 degrees, 3 degrees. In the Alps still cold, of course, some -7, some spots in Switzerland, some -4, in Germany some 1 degree, 2 degrees, northern UK some -2. So stay safe, goes. And Friday morning, the show's a little bit colder in the Alps and to France, more negative temperatures on the Pyrenees as well. Uh, and yeah, some spots in Eastern Europe. So it goes, and like shows on Saturday morning, sun active temperatures, some spots in Eastern Europe, and still in the Alps in those areas there's some -8, some -7, uh, the southern Balkans too. So it goes there. During the day it does warm up a little bit, some spots to 17 degrees and 18 degrees, some other spots 15 degrees. In Italy some 14, 15, 16 degrees, and it goes there. And uh, Sunday night, the 26th, still more like temperatures, Central Europe in the Alps, another strip in Germany and France, the Netherlands, and Central Spain again on the 26th. Goes the 27th, more in the Alps and like to Eastern Europe, and it goes there. Shows next Tuesday, the 28th, still colder, some spots of Spain, the Pyrenees, the Alps, northernmost UK. Goes there and like still shows like this some spots Spain and France, especially like in the Alps, into Poland, somewhere like the temperatures, and in Ireland and the UK. Cold through this on the 30th, and yeah, the morning of the 31st still shows those negative temperatures throughout Central Europe. Some spots no, some spots yes, and shows Central Spain, true in France, and yeah, so stay safe. So now, Northern Europe, the Thursday morning tomorrow shows all the way to -26 degrees northern Sweden. So please stay safe there because of the cold there. These are just the temperatures -26. The wind chills might be close to -35 Celsius or something. So please stay safe. Shows in Finland some -9 to -25 in the north. In Russia, Norway, close to -21. Some spots, other spots to -10. The south, some -10. In Oslo, some -6. And in Stockholm, shows some 2 degrees. And yeah, so Thursday kind of warms up a little bit, but barely nothing. In the afternoon, shows some -27 degrees in a spot or two. So please stay safe. Those temperatures plus the wind chills goes there, and yeah. So by Saturday, that cold wave in the north starts diminishing, but still cold there. The far north into Sunday, Norway still some negative temperatures, Sweden, northern Finland, and yeah, and still shows cold later, of course, on the 27th, most spots there, and yeah, some later. So stay safe. Those areas in Iceland, very cold Central Iceland, and some 2 degrees in Reykjavik, and some days to -2 in Reykjavik, and some -13 central areas. And yeah, some days like 27 shows all the way to -4, there, and sunspots minus 17. So yeah, and all the way to like minus 20 on the 29th. Central Iceland, Reykjavik, minus 8. So be aware, but it's far out too. So stay safe there. In Iceland shows a small front into Thursday, some rain and snow, and spotted to freeze rain, but barely nothing goes there. And like does show on Friday, a little bit of freezing rain and snow. It goes and like still shows up plenty of snow drizzles later. So uh, wind does show into Thursday a little bit higher in Iceland. Some spots even so 70 km per hour to Reykjavik. Some spots to 96 goes there. It passes, and yeah, later doesn't show much, but potentially some more wind on the 30th. Some bigger systems, but yeah, stay safe. And in Greenland too, Sahagas now into Thursday, so be aware there on the East Coast. So stay safe in those areas, and be careful, and please stay safe. This system in the UK there, this very serious, especially some, especially those high winds. Please stay safe there, and warn others too. And check the links, the link in the description to see the warnings, and feel free to ask questions and everything. Be careful with fog too, especially in the mornings. Some days shows a lot of fog in Europe, especially southeastern Europe, and some spots in the north too. So stay safe, and yeah.